Alright, let's get you dressed. Gotta get you guys dressed. Okay? Because this part here, Rocky, you settle. Get your sister dressed this time. Little spritzer. Rocky, Precious, you want to get down? Hold up, Rocky. Let's just go ahead, Precious. Get down. No. That boy. Okay. Now you can go. Now you can go. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Alright, on the way down here to Halifax, we had a young lady. Whoa! You couldn't even wait? Lady, I don't even have a plastic bag, I don't think. That's not nice. Ah. Shoot, let me check in the truck. It's not polite to right up here where people walking. She never can wait. As soon as she gets out of the truck and she takes a couple steps, she's pooping. When in doubt, use your Wendy's. Wendy's. French fry cup. Alright, where is it? Where is it? I don't want to step in it. Okay, I found them. Found the turds. Okay. I got it on my fingers. That's gross. That's gross. That is totally gross. Alright. I'm going to put that right there. Not inside the truck, but on the outside. Alright. I know what I need to get me is some disinfectant wipes to put in the backpack. Precious, come, we're going down the hill. We're going to go swimming. Oh. You can't make this stuff up. No. Precious. Wow, it looks more washed out. that since the last rainstorm we had. I really hate carrying these ropes, but you don't know who's going to bring their, if anybody brings their dog. So I usually let them go free till I see or hear another dog in the area. Then I put them on leash. Well, it is nice and cool down here. Rocky will be able to get a good swim in. He won't be able to touch bottom. Those ropes are a pain in the butt. Look how deep that is. All the way up there, and then it rolled down. And they tried to make a run offshoot. Tried to make an offshoot there so it go down over the hill. But it looked like it didn't work. Look at that, washed out. Alright, I gotta put this on fully. Because it's just about to fall off. Because you get ropes. I have to put them in. Well, I need them accessible. Accessible. Look at this. Wow, it really dug in there. I don't know if you really can tell the depth. Wow. And it's all down here. All that stone and then is all down here at the bottom. It looked like they put stuff down to try to deter the water. Look at all this just washed out here. I hope I don't have problems with the... now I got this problem. I keep locking this thing and then it comes unlocked. I don't know how. But yeah, look at all that washout. That all come from down on top of the hill all the way down. So if I were them, what I would do is come down here, get some of this, take it back up the hill. I would get something more to fill in there. I would do it like where it would run off into the every like 5 feet. Look at that. Let's go down here and look. Rocky, what are you waiting on? I thought you'd already be in the water. Looks like some bigger dogs were down here. Man. That paw right there. Right there. Oh my God, that's a huge dog. Oh, there's a spot over there. Looks like they went up in. Over there. Looks like they went up in there. Uh-oh. Rocky's having his issues. Are you okay? You okay? Do I have to scare you real bad? Huh? You okay? Well, anyway, what I was saying, it looked like they cleared out an area over there. So maybe somebody would, like, they camp over there. Let's go over here. Oh, I like that old rock cropping, that outcropping of rocks underneath the tree. Yeah, that's just all washed out. I don't know what they could do for that, except take what's down here and take it back up to the top of the hill. Get a tamper, or what they would call a whacker, and tamp the living crap out of it. And maybe, oh, there's somebody's chips. Somebody left chips. Doritos Damania. Maybe we'll walk back out this way and we'll grab it. Rocky's just peeing on everything now. Yes, Miss Little Lady, I'm behind you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yes. Yes, little lady. Okay. Well, anyway, I looked back on the video, and I know it came to me. I sat there for like 2 or 3 days straight. I watched the video and then I like thought about it. What did I want to say? Really, what did I want to say? After listening to what I was... So, I think what I wanted to tell you was the story. Well, it's not a story, it's what I actually seen for myself and my friend. What we seen. But on Pine Bluff Arsenal, I had, like I said, I had a lot of opportunities for a lot of different jobs. And, well, one of them was one day we had to go pick up something, and we had to go to the DNCER people. The place that we had to go to was in, what was it, Redfield? It was in Redfield, and there's a couple facilities there, and so we pulled up to the one facility. They gave us a building number, so we went inside the building, and there's Rocky. He's swimming already. Okay. Right in the current. Yep, you're going to get lost in the current, Rock. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You swimming. You swimming. Oh, the bugs are going to be bad. Okay, so I might not do that down here. I didn't bring the fishing pole either. But anyway, back to the story, or what really happened. So, we're looking around this building, and, well, we go down this long corridor. Uh-oh, he's got... You're okay, bud. Hey, thanks for the shower, bud. I think he's got allergies. And then I usually have to... I have to scare him. I have to scare him to get him out of the... Oh, he's doing his Haktua. That's what he's doing. Yeah. That's his version of Haktua. Yeah? You clearing your nostrils? Clearing something? Huh? There he goes. You're gonna be okay, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, lady? So anyway, we're gonna go down to the other place. I have to really be catch him off guard. Oh, we could probably go this way. Come on. He can't catch his breath though. That's the only thing I worry about is he runs out of oxygen. Precious is behind me. We're going down here to the place. Oh sure, just go in front of me. Oh, so this does come out here. So anyway, back to the story. So, there's my seat. There it is. I gotta put this stuff down. Let's do it right here. Okay. Rocky, where are you going? We're staying here. Rocky, where are you going? We're staying here. Come back here. Listens like a hole in the head. I'm not going to get to do my video down here if I have them with me. You get down here. Get down here. Well, anyway. I'll probably, by the time we make a whole circle here, I will have not gotten my video, because they're running off somewhere, yeah, out there in the freaking field. They're like children, I mean, I wanted to do a video down here where I just sit down here and, do it a little different. Maybe put pigeons over here, about 5 feet away, and, set everything up. Oh, now they come back. You want to come back now? I got the backpack back on. Oh, now you want to play. Alright, it is already 90 minutes. Ooh, the bugs are out too. The mosquitoes. They like my head. So, anyway. We're going down this hallway. Rocky. You're okay. You are okay, bud. You are okay. I brought you here to go do some swimming. I know. There. Did that help? Did it get you back on track? Huh? Did it? Go ahead, go out there and go swimming. Go swimming. Come on, go swimming, please. You're just going to stand there and look at me like a numbskull. And what are you doing? You two in cahoots, aren't you? You both are in cahoots. So Dad has to come down here on a day by himself and do a video without the kids. So anyway, let me get to it. So we're walking down the hallway, and let me get to that point. Because these two, where are you going? We ain't going back that way. We're going this way. Numbskull. So anyway, we're walking down the hallway, and we, there's doors left and right in the hallway, and, well, I mean, this is a pretty long building, so we're walking, we're about halfway in midway of it, and then we come to we're like, what's that in the hallway? Well, there's a push cart. I'd say about 8 foot. Look at him running. He's running already. I'm gonna kick his butt. There's an 8-foot cart. On that 8-foot cart, I want to say it's a gorilla. But it was hanging out over. The arms were hanging out over this 8-foot cart, which has a 4 foot by 8 foot. Well, this gorilla covers the whole thing. And it even had, like, I'd say at least 5 feet where the knee at the 8-foot mark was coming off the cart. About another 5 feet was hanging off down to its feet. And I want to say it was a gorilla, but so one guy come rushing out of the room, and I think, like, at the far end you could see, like, probably a possible place where they would do autopsies on animals. And I got a little quick glimpse of inside the room. There were cages, a bunch of cages. But the one room, you could tell it was designed, it looked like a morgue, animal morgue, at the far end of this building. Rocky, where are you going? Hey! Where are you going? You need to stay back here with me. You want to get me in trouble? Huh? You want to come back here again? No, I'm just kidding. I just want them close by in case I have to put the leash on them. So anyway, all these interruptions. I hope I don't forget my story, or not really my story, but what happened. So the guy come out of some nowhere, and he was like real frantic, like, and my friend, or the boss, he was, hey, we're here to pick up such and such, and we need whatever. So guy's like, okay, hold, just stay right here, don't move. Rocky, come here. Rocky! Come here. Yep, I hear another dog. Yep, I hear another dog up there. They're up top, up there. Yep, over there. Yep, okay, they're up there. They're up there. I see them in the... So we're going to have to take the other route. We're going to have to go back up the way we came. Rocky, Precious, we can't go up the trail. Come on. Come on. So yeah. So I just happened to just say, okay, what did this guy die? Did this thing die of? They said it was 30 years of processed foods. So the gorilla ate 30 years worth of processed food. Probably not in the beginning of his life. It was probably, but I guess whatever they would make for the MRE, they would feed it to this gorilla. So he just finally upped and had, I don't know what killed him. But I think my friend, since he was a boss out there, he eventually found out what it was, a coronary stroke or something like that. Rocky, quit pulling because you hear the other dogs. You're fine when you don't hear both of you. Oh, that cancels everything. For sure. So I have to come back here one day by myself. Man, they're pulling me. Holy shit. It's not a race. It's not a goddamn race, you two. It's not a race. Sorry, my language. Alright, let me get these kids in the truck. That just ruins it all. Where are you going? Get your butt in the truck. I was hoping for a nice peaceful walk with you guys, but that's not happening. All right. Oh, wow. That's unzipped. Okay. Precious, I got your poopy here. You want some? Send fries. Fries from Wendy's for you. Oh, man. You stink, lady. You really stink. Alright. How can we do this? You just shove that right in there. Put the lid on it. So anyway, that was one of the interesting things that I was allowed to do when I was on Pine Bluff Arsenal. We went to the Redfield DMCR. As we were driving into the DMCR, there were ponds that said no swimming in. And I actually witnessed those ponds when I was on security. The one security guy, because that was part of what we had to keep an eye on. There was fish food. Well, I would think it was fish food. Throw it out there and then you just see. And even the security guys were like, don't ever go swimming in there because they'll never find you. So it was like almost like that movie Piranha where the military was, but this time it's DNCER, the what you call it, guys? Precious. Your tongue's a half mile long. I guess I gotta get the AC on, huh? Okay, come here. Let's get this off you. And you can go over in the driver's seat. I mean, in the passenger seat. Rocky, you want yours off? You want yours off? Come here. Come here, you stinky boy. You always stink. You know. You're all cool. You shouldn't be drooling. Alright. Anyway, so that's what I remember from the other day. When I was talking, and completely forgot. It went oblivious for 2 days. I'm standing there trying to think, where was I heading with that story? Then I remember my it's not really a story, it's actually true life. And I keep saying, well, I guess I could say it's a story. It's happened in the past. It's not like something that happened in, but present. And I'm sure they still have those ponds, because it was down near the railroad tracks where the Clintons like to have people taken. And I heard a lot of security talk about that. Even the good old boys. Dude, get in the back. Get in the back. I'm done you drooling on me. And my paperwork. And everything. You stay back there. All over everything. Oh, man. Flashlight. You name it. Oh, I need this. I need this truck. What do they call it when you get somebody to clean your vehicle? Detail. I need to find a good detailer and get this done once a year. you that hot, young lady, that you gotta have your tongue out like that. Well, Dad's got the AC on, and we'll get ready to get on here on the road here. Since I didn't get to do what I wanted to do, so I'll have to come back by myself with my fishing pole and fish and eat lunch. That sounds like a plan. Without the doggies. Get over here. Lay right here. You'll get cool. I adjusted the vent for her so it blows in her face. So, yeah. So that's where I wanted to. Basically, that's what I wanted to. Maybe later this afternoon we'll go up on the mountain where they can run around and I can sit at a picnic table and do menu number. Menu number 7, I believe it is. Or 6 is beef brisket. So 7 is marinara. Should be marinara meatballs. In meatballs and marinara sauce. That should be the next MRE. So I think that's what we'll do, because it's like, when I came out of the house, it was like 90 here in the truck. And it's 83 saying right now. I'm like kind of sitting in the shade. So, alright, you know what to do. And until next time.